Document360 offers a comprehensive set of tools to effectively manage your team, whether it's a small group or a large organization. In this video, we'll explore how to invite and manage new team members, administer permissions and roles, and determine the kind of content they can access. To get started, go to the Knowledge Base portal settings under Users and Security. Let's first delve into team accounts and groups and learn how to create new team accounts. Click Create and choose Team Account. Enter the email address of the individuals you'd like to invite to your project. You can input up to 5 email IDs simultaneously. Assign portal roles by choosing from the drop-down and selecting the appropriate role. For the content role, select Draft Writer and grant them content access to all categories and Workspace V1 in English. If you've created groups for your team accounts, you can select it here. Click Create Team Account and the team members will be added to the list. You can choose to send an activation email when they're added. If you need to invite more than 5 users, you can use the import function. Simply download the template, fill in the email and name fields, and upload it. After the validation process is complete, you can assign portal and content roles and specify their content access. If you have custom groups, you can assign them here as well. Click Import and the accounts will be added to the list. You can easily view individual portal roles, the number of content roles, and access for each user. By clicking on the number, you can see the list of content roles and access they've been assigned, which is quite convenient. Clicking on a username allows you to manage the user's role and content access settings, and you can also find details on their last activity and when they joined the project. With team account groups, you can create groups with common portal and content roles and access, and assign team members accordingly. Let's demonstrate this by creating a new team account group for your draft writers. Provide the group with a relevant name and a suitable description. Select the portal role and assign content role and content access. Click Next to assign draft writers to the group. And then click Create Team Account Group to add it to the list. You can see how many members are currently in this group under the team accounts count. Creating groups is an excellent way to efficiently manage and organize your team and grant necessary role and access permissions to future team members. You can regulate and manage content access across your entire project under the Content Access section, a crucial feature for securing your knowledge base. It provides a tree-like view of your project, workspaces, and languages, and displays the team accounts and team account groups with access to the content. Inheritance is a key concept here. For example, the user who created this project is listed under team accounts in the project level and is assigned the content role and access as an editor in the project. This means they will inherit content access to all workspaces and languages within this project marked by the inherited tag. Looking at this specific language, we can see that this user has inherited access from the workspace level. The Block Inherited Account option can be used to prevent access to team members at the workspace or language level that have inheritance applied, denoted by the Inheritance Disabled tag for the workspace or language. Additionally, if you want to restrict access to an individual team account, you can block access by using this button. You can also edit existing permissions or delete individual team accounts from any workspace or language. To add a team account to a specific workspace or language, click the Assign Access button. Choose the team account and assign a content role, then click Apply. Note that the content access settings configured here apply only to the project, workspaces, and languages in the project. For access control at a category or article level, use the security feature in the documentation section. Now let's explore roles and permissions, which define what team members can access and do within the knowledge base portal. Under portal roles, you have 3 default roles: admin, contributor, and owner. These cannot be edited or deleted. However, you can clone them to create variations. Clicking Show Permissions provides a description of the role and the associated permissions. You can also create custom portal roles to align with your business needs. For instance, let's create a new role called Team Management, provide a description, and select the applicable permissions. Once added, team accounts falling under this role can be assigned these permissions. The Content Role section defines access and permissions for content in the Knowledge Base portal. Draft Writer, Editor, and None are default roles that cannot be edited or deleted. Clicking Show Permissions shows the role name, description, and allowed or disallowed permissions. You'll also see the Delete and Publish columns, which apply to the knowledge base content. To demonstrate, let's create a new content role named L2 Review. Provide a suitable description, select the permissions, and click Create Role. Now you're ready to assign team members to this role. In summary, Document360 provides the flexibility to configure and fine-tune access and permissions for your team at a granular level, ensuring that the right people have access to the right workspaces, languages, categories, and articles. Defining portal roles, content access, and creating team account groups simplifies team management regardless of your team size.